Hi everyone, my name is Preeti, pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. This is a social connectivity and responsibility. Let us learn about water conservations. So next, let us see about water conservation. So global water scarcity statistics. Over 2 billion people worldwide lack access to clean and safe drinking water. Approximate 40% of global populations faces water scarcity at least 1 month per year. By 2050, the global demand for water is projected to exceed supplies from 40%. Impact of water scarcity. Water scarcity contributes the purities, maintenance and diseases partially in development region. Water scarcity hampers agriculture productivities, descripts and industries reliant on water and undermines the economic developments. Example, regions facing several water storage and Central Asia, Western Asia and North Asia and America often experience physical water scarcity. So next, causes of water scarcity. Population growth of urbanizations, rapid populations growth, partially in urban areas, increase the demand of water of domestic, industrial and agriculture purpose. Climate change and unpredictable weather patterns. Climate change alters precipitations pattern leading to increased frequency and intensity of floods and other extreme weather events. Populations and contaminations of water source, population from industrial discharge, agriculture's runoff and improving water disposals. Fresh water sources renders the dam unfit for consumptions. Insufficient water use practice, insufficient irrigation methods such as flood irrigations result in a water losses through entire runoff in a causes of water scarcity. Importance of water conservations. Preserving ecosystem and biodiversity's water consumption help maintain healthy aquatic ecosystem, including rivers, lake, wetlands, which supports diverse flora and fauna. Ensuring access to clean water for future generations, sustainable water management practice ensure renewables access to clean and safe drinking water for present and future generations. In water conservations, mitigations of effects of drought and water scarcity, water conservation measure help mitigates with impacts of droughts, flood and water scarcity by reducing water demand and enhancing water reliance. Reducing energy consumptions associated with the treatment and distribution. Water treatment process consume significant amount of energy, greenhouse emissions and environmental in conservation. Tips of water conservation at home. Installing water saving appliances of features. Upgrading to water efficiency such as low flow toilets, shower heads and faucets. Water saving mixture can be significantly reduce water using without compromising functionalities and comfort. Practicing water-wise landscaping and rendering. Choose drought tolerant plant and native specific and landscapings and minimizing the water requirements. Implementing techniques in a retain soil moisture and reduce evaporations in garden and flower beds. So next, water conservation in agriculture. Efficiency irrigation techniques. Adapt to precision irrigation methods such as drip irrigations and micro sprinkles to deliver water directly to the plant root. Minimizing the water loss through evaporations and runoff. So next, implement scheduling techniques to optimize irrigation timings and frequency based on a crop water requirements and soil moisture levels. Next, soil management practice. Practice soil conserves methods such as cover cropping and conservations techniques to enhance the soil structure, reducing erosions and improve the water in fertilization and retentions. In compromise and organisms material into soil, increase the water holding capacities and promotes nutrient cycling, includes the need of irrigations. So next, third, crop selection and rotations, such as choose rotten resistance crop, uh, various type of adapted to local climates, additions and water availabilities, crops to maintain soil health, prevents pest and disease build up, and optimize water use efficiency in a water conservation agriculture, which we have used in agriculture techniques to adapt the prevention irrigations method and soil management practice and crop selection and rotations. So next, community initiatives of the water conservations. First one, public awareness campaign. Educate a community about the importance of a water conservation through outreach programs, workshops, and public server announcements. Raise awareness about local water issues, water saving practice, and the collective responsibility for the water stewardship. Implementing water saving policies and regulations, enact and enforce water saving policies and regulations, incentives or promote efficient water use and discourage waterful practice in communities. Develop water management plans and water resource management strategy collaborations with the stakeholders and authorities. Third one, investing in a water infrastructure upgrades. In water infrastructure upgrades, treatment faculty is minimize the water and system insufficiency. So next, corporate responsibility in a water conservation. First one, adapting water efficient technologies and processors. Invest in a water efficiency equipments, technologies and products process to minimize the water consumption and optimize resource use. Implementation water recycling, reuse and treatment system to reduce freshwater withdrawals and water waste discharges. Implementing water recycling and reuse system. Capture and treat wastewater from reuse industrial process, cooling system and landscape irrigation. Implement closed loop water system and zero liquid discharge technologies to minimize water discharge and populations in a corporate responsibility, partnering with the community with the address and change with the partnerships with the local governments and projects infrastructure development in management activities and initiatives of water conservation which adapt the water efficiency technologies and process which day by day which invest the water efficiency requirements by products the process of minimizing the water consumptions which implement the water cycle. So we have to follow these conservations in a corporate responsibilities in the water, which ensure the access to clean water, preserving ecosystem and mitigating the effects of water scarcity. We explored the current water scarcity and it causes the improvements of adapting sustainable water management practice. In water conservation, addressing water challenges require collaborative effort from individual communities, governments and business. By working together, we can create meaningful change and ensure the sustainable future of the water resources. Let's commit the implementation water saving practice. practice in our daily lives, such as fixing leaks, using water efficiency appliance, and practice in the water conservation. Thank you.